Welcome. Okay, what I'm going to show you today is I've spent £50 on 3 boxes of really poor quality rusty chisels, and nobody was bidding on these. There were, about £15 a box, including postage. So I'm going to go through all of the 3 boxes, show you the befores, show you what comes out of the boxes, what condition they're in. I'm going to do very little talking. I'll just show you what comes out. I'll do that for about 5-6 minutes, and then at the end I will show you, after I've done most of the restoration on the chisels but no sharpening, what I've got left. And at that stage you can tell me, was it worth spending £50 on all of these chisels? I know my answer, but I'm curious to hear what you think. Taking the blades out of some of the poor handles, I've added them to some chisel handles I had in storage. And here I've added a U handle to the one closest to the camera. And I've mixed and matched some of the handles and chisels just to make them more effective, more usable. And these are all the firmer chisels that came out of those boxes. And these are new handles made of cherry. Again, new handles, this time made of laburnum. These 4 mortising chisels are made of elm, and these gouges have been refurbished. And here I have a full set of boxwood handled firmer chisels. And again, a couple of nice boxwood handled bevel edge chisels. So, at £50, each chisel, about 50 here restored, works out at £1 each, with a few bits left over. For me, that's good value. What do you think? I also obviously have a lot of leftover chisels. So I have about 40 chisels that probably aren't much use for me. I probably won't spend any time restoring, but I will get them back into circulation in case somebody else can do something with them. So if you're still here, you're probably like me and have a passion for restoring and reusing items and getting quality tools from what's essentially junk is something I enjoy doing. And I hope you stay around, subscribe, and let me know if it's something you enjoy too.